Hello everyone, Ken Stewart, audiologist at Hearcare. One of the questions we get is, what does a hearing test look like? When you come in, what does your appointment look like? Initially, we really want to take a look at the human auditory pathways. There's really three parts of the pathway. We call it the outer, the middle, and the inner part of the ear. So let's talk about the first one, the outer part of the ear. That really takes a good inspection, looking down the pathway. We certainly want to make sure this whole area is clear and clean, and we want to see a nice healthy eardrum to make sure there's no obstruction causing or not allowing sound to get down to where it needs to go.